A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, the Trump administration has taken a stance in favor of the abortion pill mifepristone, asking a federal judge to dismiss a lawsuit that seeks to restrict access to the medication. This move aligns with the position previously held by the Biden administration, indicating a rare moment of bipartisan agreement on a contentious issue. The Justice Department's court filing highlights the argument that the lawsuit, filed in Texas, lacks proper jurisdiction, as the states challenging the FDA's regulations, Idaho, Missouri, and Kansas, have no direct ties to the state where the case is being heard. The lawsuit is part of a broader legal battle over the availability of mifepristone, which has become a focal point in the ongoing debate surrounding abortion rights in the United States. The states involved in the lawsuit are contesting the FDA's actions that have loosened restrictions on the drug in recent years, including a 2016 policy change that extended the period for medication abortions from 7 to 10 weeks of pregnancy. Additionally, the FDA has allowed for the mail delivery of the drug, which has been met with both support and opposition. The Trump administration's filing argues that the lawsuit should be dismissed on the grounds that the original plaintiffs lacked standing, and that the claims from the states are not valid due to the absence of a legitimate connection to the Northern District of Texas. This legal maneuvering comes on the heels of a previous Supreme Court ruling that dismissed a similar lawsuit filed by anti-abortion medical professionals, which was deemed invalid due to lack of personal harm. As the legal landscape around abortion continues to evolve, the implications of this case could have far-reaching effects on access to reproductive health care in the United States. The ongoing discussions surrounding mifepristone are emblematic of the broader national conversation about women's rights and healthcare access, and they underscore the complexities of navigating legal frameworks in a politically charged environment. With the stakes higher than ever, both sides are bracing for a protracted legal battle that could shape the future of abortion rights in America. The Trump administration's unexpected support for mifepristone raises questions about the evolving dynamics within the Republican Party, particularly as it pertains to issues of personal choice and healthcare. As this case unfolds, it will undoubtedly draw significant attention from both proponents and opponents of abortion rights, with advocates on both sides preparing for what could be a landmark legal showdown. The outcome of this case will not only impact the availability of mifepristone but will also set a precedent for future legal challenges surrounding reproductive rights. As the legal proceedings continue, the nation watches closely, aware that the implications of this case extend far beyond the courtroom and into the lives of countless women across the country. The conversation around abortion rights is more than just a legal issue. It is a deeply personal matter that affects families, healthcare providers, and communities. The Trump administration's involvement in this case could signal a shift in how the Republican Party approaches issues of reproductive health, potentially reshaping the narrative as the 2024 elections approach. As the legal battle intensifies, the focus will remain on the courts and the decisions that will ultimately define the future of abortion access in America. With both sides preparing for a lengthy fight, the nation stands at a crossroads, where the outcomes of these legal challenges will resonate for generations to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.